Hello everyone, this is Jade. This is our 120mm folding light box. It only needs 5 minutes to install it without any tools, and this is 2 by 2.5 meters. This is our SEG fabric, and it can be installed easily. This is our 120mm folding light box. It supports tool-free installation. The length can be 2 meters to 6 meters, and the height can be 2 meters to 2.5 meters. Its special structure can reduce the package space to reduce your shipping cost. And we can also provide you a wheeled bag to make the removal easily. It is suitable for event backdrop, retail backdrop displays, and trade show booth. Lintel provides you one-stop service, no MOQ, free design, and quick installation. If you want to know more, please follow me.